In this video, let me show you how to get Amadeus and Kingshot. Amadeus is an SSR hero in Kingshot that you can obtain through specific methods. You can get him either through the Hall of Governors event or by purchasing VIP packs. If you've reached at least VIP level 7, you should be able to collect enough fragments to unlock him right away. Anything above that level will grant you even more Amadeus fragments. Another way to unlock Amadeus is through the Hall of Governors event. If you rank within the top 6 to 10 in total ranking rewards during the event, you will receive Amadeus shards. Once you collect 10 fragments, you can unlock the hero. Currently, Amadeus is not available through the standard requirement feature. If you check the drop rates and attempt to recruit, you'll notice that he's not included in the list of obtainable heroes through the method. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.